Hello students, I am Sandhya Kalita, Senior Faculty CEC Head Office. Welcomes you all to CEC online videos. Today I am going to discuss about an interesting topic. So let's get started. Today I am going to show you how to enter an invoice or how to enter the details of an invoice in Tally ERP 9. First of all, you'll have to create a company for which you are entering your transactions and all. Then you'll have to select the current period and all that if it is in a different period. So I am setting it to 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022, and my company I have created it previously and it is KK, which is my company name. For entering the invoice details, first of all we are going to enter the GST details for our company, and in my previous video I have shown you how to enter the GST details for a company. You'll have to go to this gateway of Tally and select the create option from here, and you can see here is the GST details where you can enter the GST details of your company. Then you'll have to create lasers for entering different transactions in the vouchers or invoices. For that you'll have to go to this create option and select this ledger, and here you can create your ledgers. I have created the GST lasers previously, which I can show you from here. Go to the chart of accounts and select the lasers option, then select this laser view, or you can press the F5 key as a shortcut to view the lasers which you have created previously. So here there are 3 lasers which I have created: the CGST, then IGST, SGST. All these are the GST lasers for your company. Some new lasers we are going to create it here. Go to this create option, select ledger, and you'll have to create this purchase GST laser here under the group purchase accounts. Type of laser will be it will be not applicable. Then is GST applicable? It will be applicable. Then set all the GST rate details will be yes. Nature of transactions will be purchase taxable. The last option you'll have to select it from here. Then integrated tax, I have set it as 18, and central tax and state tax will be half of the integrated tax, and cess will be 0. Then select the goods option from this supply types. Bank details you need not fill up, then accept this laser. Then next will be the sales GST laser. Under the sales account, not applicable, GST will be applicable. Then set alter GST rate details will be applicable, yes. Nature of transaction will be sales taxable. Integrated tax will be 18%, central state tax 9, and here select the goods option. After this you'll have to create 2 lasers from where you are buying your products or to whom you are selling your products. You'll have to create 2 different lasers for a supplier and the customer. I am entering this name, Deepak Enterprise, which will be my supplier. It will be under the group sundry creditors.